Hey guys, Tech Mentor with the video for you guys. Now, if it's your first time using an iPhone or if you recently set up your iPhone from an old phone to a new one, you need to follow this step in order to turn on FaceTime and enable it. We're going to show you how to set it up as well. So let's get started. So it's going to be really simple and easy to do. First thing we need to do is go into our setting here. And in order to use FaceTime, you need an Apple ID account. It should be already signed in. If you're not, you can click through and create one for free, but you need an Apple ID in order to use FaceTime and iMessage and any other Apple services as well. So once you have that, all you're going to do is, once you're signed in, like simply go down to where it has FaceTime here. And then we want to turn this on. If it's off, we'll turn it on. And once we turn it on, we're going to wait a minute and then go back to settings. And then click on FaceTime again, and this time, as you can see, there's a lot more option here. FaceTime is turned on, and you want to verify right where it says can be reached at. Either your email and your phone number are listed, and your Apple ID is listed as well. That means we have FaceTime turned on, and someone can contact you either that number or email. And now, if you're ready to FaceTime someone, it's just like making any regular call. You can open up the FaceTime app, which is the default app on your iPhone. Just simply open it up. And from there on, you can click on FaceTime and you can select a contact, right? You can click on that and then you can find your contact or just search it up and then you can click on it and it'll start FaceTiming then. Now, if someone doesn't have an iPhone, you can't FaceTime them using this method. You need to create a link, right? You need to create a link to send it to them. If they have an Android phone, you can message them that link, which is generated automatically, and then type in their contact info again. And it will, right? And then you can hit send, and once they click on it, they will call you or you can call them, and you can use that link to join the FaceTime with each other. So that's how you turn on and use FaceTime on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.